Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up Google Authenticator on your Binance. So you can either use an application like I am, or you can use a desktop version of Binance. It's basically the same. You will need to go to your account at the top left corner. It's the same if you are using Binance Lite or Binance Pro. And after this, just click on User. And here on User, you want to click Security. And on security, you will see that there is Authenticator application. So you want to click on it and you will see this message right there. You will need to click Enable Authenticator app. After that, you will get this link and an Authenticator app, and you will need to go ahead and scan it with your Google Authenticator. So you just go ahead, click the plus sign on your Authenticator, then scan QR code, and after you will scan it, you will need to go ahead and verify your Authenticator. So you will enter those 6 digits and paste it here and submit it. After you will do this, you will see this Authenticator app here, and it's now enabled for you. And that's basically it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.